Was there any like damage to like the door interior or anything like that?
When they yanked it, they broke the clips off the top right here.
As soon as I got out, I noticed my car window was broken. I saw that there was a bunch of glass on the floor. This is the aftermath of my driver's side window being broken into.
So they were specifically looking for something.
They were looking for something. Just popped it less than a second, hopped in, connected it with their special tool. Told my friend, you know what, I'm just gonna park right next to him just in case someone tries to steal it. It was frustrating, the fuse for the horn, just so it didn't alarm no one near it. Bunch of glass on the floor. It looked like he had a firearm with an extended clip. It's scary. I'm just glad I didn't bump into them while they were trying to take my car. That's good, yeah.
Raul hopes the video helps police catch the thieves.
Back to normal, yeah.